I had Dr. Khan on the podcast to discuss it with him and learn more about it.
The reason they couldn't do it in North America was because they didn't have the scaffolding process.
In bodybuilders, organ conditions are common.
When he told me that stem cells could help, my initial reaction was to be on the first plane to Dubai.
We're trying to regenerate some of the damaged tissue, and then we're also trying to repair some of the scar tissue and fibrosis, which stem cells have shown to be very effective for. I'll only work with people who I believe are the best and the highest standard in the world, and I've seen the facilities here, and I've worked closely with the scientists, and I know that they do have the highest standard in the world.
At this stage in my life, at 44 years old, retired from bodybuilding, one of the main things I wanted to do when I left the sport was bring something back to it that was better than it was there previously. My objective, to be honest,